Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back friends. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung Smart HD Ready LED TV. In this TV the complaint is backlight okay no display. Here you can see the white light flashes while taping on the screen. So as we discussed earlier, this TV comes with single COF panel with SM4186 Dc to DC IC. Panel model number is LSC3208P01. Now let's open the TV back cover. See, now we opened the back cover. See, this is the motherboard. And this is the panel. This panel comes with SM4186 Dc to DC IC. Here actually, due to internal shorting in Gatesignals, the DC to DC IC goes to protection mode. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides glass panel is short, then it's not repairable. After all, we can repair this panel using a temporary solution. By the help of panel short removal method, by simply cutting Gatesignal tracks either from left or right. Remember that this is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement. We can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on the user luck basis. See friends, these are the right side Gatesignals. These are the left side Gatesignals tracks. So here first we going to cut down the right side Gatesignal tracks. After that, if picture is okay then do nothing. If picture is not okay then we need to rejoin cutted tracks and cut down the other side. If both sides are short then no hope. Otherwise panel replacement is the only solution. See friends, here we first cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. But unfortunately the complaints remains same as previous. So now we need to carefully rejoin the cutted tracks using soldering iron. After that we need to cut down the left side Gatesignals and check shorting is removed or not. Because of this internal shorting, DC to DC IC doesn't generate basic panel voltages like VGH, VGL, avdd, VCOM etc. See friends, now we cut down the left side Gatesignal tracks. Now all voltages comes and panel shorting is removed. But in this TV here you can see picture comes, but while turning on the TV the display comes with vertical lines and white shaded picture for 5 to 20 seconds. After that the picture will be correct. After restarting the TV the starting picture comes with white vertical bars and lines along with shaded display. After 5 to 10 seconds working, display will automatically back to normal. To avoid this problem, we need to perform a small alteration method using a 15K resistor. We need to connect and bypass this 15K resistor to 45th pin of SM4186 Dc to DC, then connect it with VGH test point. Connect 15K resistor with 45 pin number of SM4186 IC and bypass it with VGH. See friends, finally here we connected it. See here the last inductor coil and capacitor near to it in panel scaler board connects with pin number 45 of SM4186 DC to DC IC. After that we bypassed it to the SMD capacitor near to VGH section. See finally now successfully completed the bypass process. Now let's turn on the TV and check the display. See now picture is crystal clear. Now the vertical lines and white shading picture complaints are solved successfully. Now at present condition display is okay. But once again always remember that this is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.